Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to install Gyre on Runpod.io. Runpod.io is a low-cost cloud GPU rental service. With such an installation, you can use Gyre from any computer like a Mac and also have your own personal environment. Also, you can choose a more powerful GPU than you might have at home. You can run your own GPU instance within a few minutes, and you can stop it within a second. First, go to Runpod.io. You need to create an account there. You'll also need to provide payment information and increase your account credit balance. To set up a new server, click on Templates and Gyre, Latest, and click on Deploy. You might want to change to Community Cloud to get lower prices. There are many options. I choose a RTX 3090 and click on Select, Continue, Deploy. Click on My Pods and wait until the Connect button is available. After around another 30 seconds, click on Connect and connect via HTTP port 5000 to open the server status page. It downloads now all the AI models. This needs a few minutes. If you see all engines ready, it is ready to be used. In the Photoshop plugin, please add a new Gyre configuration. Paste the runpod.io link there without a subdirectory, then click the Load the Models button. It can now be used. After you have finished your work, you can stop and kill the instance. If you only stop the instance, the start will be faster next time.